Hello everyone, today we are checking out the Joyalens JL249MS. It is an HDMI digital microscope with soldering station and the JL210, the 10.1 inch LCD display monitor screen. Now it has an upgraded Pro metal bracket boom arm stand, and it comes with 3 lenses ranging from 18x to 2040x magnification, each with 3x digital zoom. Lens A is 18 to 720x, and it is good for things like coin collection observation, and its working distance is 12 millimeters to 320 millimeters. Lens L is 60x to 240x, and it is good for things like PCB soldering, watch repair, and phone repairs, and its working distance is 90 millimeters to 300 millimeters. Lens D is 1800x to 2040x magnification, and it is good for biological slide observation, and its working distance is 4 to 5 millimeters. It can record videos and take photos. Now the video resolution is 2160 pixels at 120 frames per second. It has a field of view of 178 degrees, and the video format is MP4. Now the photos are in JPG format, and the resolution is 24 megapixels or 5600 by 4200 pixels. It will record them to the built-in DVR. A 32 gigabyte micro SD card is included, and it supports up to 32 gigabytes. A class 10 micro SD card is recommended. It comes with a soldering mat made out of about a 3.2 millimeter thick silicone pad. It has an extended base with storage organizer. It has a soldering helping hands alligator clips. It has adjustable flexible LED lights, and it has a tool holder bar. Now the entire unit is powered by just USB 5 volt at 2 amps. It also comes with some pre-made slides for you to use the D lens and a platform box with a built-in LED light. So you connect the barrel plug to the base for the regular adjustable LED lights, and you connect the plug to the slide box for its own built-in LED light. Now it comes with a remote controller, so you can scroll through the settings and make changes. And it also lets you change the color to black and white, sepia, and negative. Because each lens has a different working distance, you need to adjust the height by moving the lens unit up and down to near the correct focus, and use the focus knobs that are located on either side for fine adjustment. So there are many uses for this digital microscope. It is a great tool for soldering tiny wires to tiny pads, checking out your coins, and looking at microscopic details of an object prepared on a slide. Now my favorite use, of course, is soldering, but looking at other objects up close is pretty cool too. Now it also supports HDMI out to a TV monitor and PC, but the 10-inch monitor is perfect. So if you want to learn more about this product, the link is down below in the video description. So I thank you so much for tuning in and watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you again next time.